What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Maya J, and I'm back with another makeup video today. And for today's look, it's just gonna be really a very cute blue moment. We're gonna have maybe like, I don't know what color lip yet, but I know we're gonna go in with some blue today. So I'm excited to play with some color. And if you guys are excited to see how it looks after, make sure you stay tuned. And let's get into the video. First, y'all know I'm gonna start with my primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into my brows right after that. Now that I got that first brow finished, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other brow off camera because it'd be taking me too long to do my brows. So I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I have both of my brows finished up, I'm just gonna go in with another concealer. I already used concealer to carve out my eyebrows, but whenever I'm doing like a really bright look, I like to use a really light shade, which I either use the Asia Wine concealer or I use the Born This Way, because this one is really thick, which is why I don't really use it on my face. So I'm just gonna go in with this and place that on my lid and blend it out. Alright, so I have that concealer on right now, and I don't set it like I usually do with my makeup. I go in with the first bright color that I'm going to use, and I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's such pretty color. And the first shade that I'm going to be using first thing I'm going to use is this one. It's just blue shade. And I'm just going to buff that from my outer corner into my crease. So the next shade I'm going to be going in with to add a little bit of depth is this kind of blue shade here. And it has a little bit of sparkles, which I don't really care too much for, but I'm just going to add that and blend it out as well. So then the last shade that I'm going to be adding to like my crease is this really kind of dark purple blue shade. And I'm just going to blend that out as well. This look is really giving me Chris vibes. I don't know why I have that right here, but so next I am gonna be going in with the concealer again because I am gonna be adding a different color to this look. So I'm just gonna put the concealer right here where it already, you can kind of see it, but I'm just gonna put it in the middle and then kind of blend it out so we can get our next color. Alright, so now that I have that concealer on my lid, I'm gonna go in with this red shade here. And I'm just gonna apply that only on this little part here. And then I'm probably gonna fade out like the edges of it to make it look nice. So I'm just gonna go back in around the red with the two shades that I started with, this shade here and then that shade, and just blend that around. So I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer, and I'm gonna apply it in my inner crease. And then the first shade that I'm gonna go in with is this sparkly shade right here. So now I'm gonna take this shade here and apply it into my inner corner. So now that I have my face on, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Fit Me foundation. next I'm going in with my concealer, and I'll also be like linking the products in the description box. So now I'm going to set my face with my Fit Me powder. Today to contour, I'm going to be using this shade here, the BH Studio Pro palette. Go ahead and set my face with my
Damn!
Going in with my blush. So these are the lashes that I'm going to use, same brand that I used in my last video. I'll be back after I apply the lashes. So now that I have my lashes on, the last step is really the lip, and what better to pair it with than red. For colors, I don't really like a glossy look, only for like plain lip gloss. So I'm just going to be taking this red matte shade from CoverGirl, and I'm just going to apply that on my lips. When I tell y'all I love this lip, I don't even like the color red. I don't even like the color red, but this shit make you fall in love with it. I'm telling you. Say 24-hour matte by CoverGirl. Make her get it. I feel like I'm ready to go like salsa dancing, like I'm ready to go to Brazil. I'm ready. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to see this makeup look. Make sure you guys give me a like, comment, and subscribe.